Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to sell your crypto on Binance. So if you want to sell your crypto on Binance, the first thing you have to do is to launch your crypto this way. So this is the interface of my crypto. The next thing you have to do is to tap on trade, one of the third icon below the screen there. Okay, so you make sure it is on spot, then now tap on sell. The limit you see there's an arrow close to it, change it to tap on it and then tap on markets. Don't enter price of the crypto you wish to sell, just enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell. Let me say I want to sell 2 KT, but if it's not KT, you can just tap on the arrow close to the currency here to select, to search for the crypto that I wish to work for. I wish to sell, let me say if it's Ethereum, the Tom, any of them, you can just search for it from here. Okay, so I'll be working with KT. Now the next thing I have to do after entering the amount of KT that I want to sell is there's an arrow close to a kind of a diamond shape close to an amount there. I'll just have to drag it to the end this way to 100%. Then now I'll tap on sell KT. So when you tap on sell KT, you have to agree to all the terms and conditions, the 3 terms and conditions. You have to agree to the terms and conditions, and immediately it will sell. After selling it, you have to go to your wallet. So let me check on my wallet. So on my wallet, okay, I'm going to my wallet. On my wallet, I have to tap on transfer in order to transfer the fund that I just sell, the money that I obtained from selling my 2 KT to my wallet. So I have to tap on and make sure that I am going to the place you see from, make sure that it's funding, and the 2 should be spot wallet. You are transferring money from funding to spot wallet. So now the currency is on USDT. So what you have to do is to tap on max if you want to transfer all the money that you have in your funding. If you want to transfer it, just tap on max, then tap on confirm. So when I tap on confirm, the transaction will be confirmed. So if I tap on confirm, you'll see that now I have confirmed transaction successful. So now I can now sell my crypto if I want to sell it, so that the money will go into my bank account, or I can just leave it on my spot wallet. So you see on my spot wallet the money is still there, $1.82. So guys, that is it on how to sell crypto on Binance. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.